Go.
No.
Okay.
I'm not doing it with her. Okay.
Rip her tooth out.
Why? You'll be glad when you get older that you have it on tape.
Fine.
Rip her tooth out. Come on.
Don't do it hard.
Open up. Don't do it hard. I gotta do it as hard as it takes.
Ah.
Oh! Let me see. Let me see it. Let me see it.
Is it out?
Yeah.
Yay! Oh, it's bleeding. Look at it. Close up of her mouth.
Get something. Get
Go,
something.
run. Go to the bathroom.
You just spit out blood. Oh my gosh.
It'll be quick and fast.
She spit out blood.
Do you want me to get it?
Let me see. Oh, that's so funny.
Blood?
Right there.
I
Look.
see it. Yes.
She spit out blood.
Oh, it's bleeding. Oh. Don't look.
That was
She told me to
hilarious.
go get it. I was like, go get it because you'll be able to get it quicker.
Why are you guys so camera shy? What's wrong? Yeah, see, I can see you back there.
That came out pretty daggone easily.
I know.
Like it was pretty loose.
It's like that time that my tooth was so loose I was here that it kept flipping backwards.
Oh.
I know, and she still wouldn't let somebody pull it.
Nope.
Hannah's brave.
I
Yeah,
know,
she
she really
really
is.
is.
That out like that.
I'm pretty brave, but I will not let somebody mess with my teeth. It just creeps me out. I don't know why.